I missed the trade. I missed the trade. I missed the trade. It was a nice break on the 15 minutes here, guys. I missed it. It went to take profit like nothing. Because my camera, I don't know what happened to the software, is telling me, usually, if you seen yesterday, I have a background. Now I don't have it anymore. Sure to sure, Abdel done? What the heck did you do, Abdel? Very good job. What the heck, guys? I wanted to, oh my god. I wanted to put a background again, and the software is telling me, oh, install the SDK. I installed it, it was working yesterday. This Windows sometimes is a joke. Is a joke. So unfortunately, it is what it is. We look for the next trades, guys. We look for the 10 and the Abdel took the break higher here and the break here. Very good job. You are done. You made your money. Good job. Very good job. Nothing to say. Very good. Unfortunately, we missed the trade, but it is what it is. What can we do, guys? What can we do? We just wait for the next break. What the heck is doing this market? What the heck is this market, guys? This market is skyrocketing, and it doesn't. I don't like it. It's skyrocketing. So what do we can get right now? The retest of the 560s or 536. We're gonna put the 560 here as a possible retest, break retest of the highs of yesterday. Yes, pre-market of yesterday, mostly. No. What I'm saying, the highs of yesterday. It can be a nice breaker retester. We'll look at it for sure for a possible breaker retest continuation. It does look great, but my God, this market, guys, skyrocketing. Like there is nothing about the. I hope everyone is good. NFP at 8:30 today. Yes, that's true as well. That was as well, I guess, here, this spike here, up and down. Look at this continuation, guys. And we unfortunately cannot do much right now. They're just waiting. This market is going crazy without us. But whatever. Whatever, guys. Whatever. It's like crypto. We look at them. You're not in. We don't cry, eh? Don't cry. We just look at the opportunities. Right now, ES at the highs of yesterday. So right now, ES can be liquidity grab and turn back. So honestly, let's pay attention that now shorts can come in. Look at this. That's what I just said. Shorts can blah, blah, blah. Shorts can come in right now. because of the liquidity grab there on ES. We broke in Nasdaq, but we might look for a tester for the 60s. I will look for it. And look at the 600 here above. What's up, Jana? Let's see, guys. For the moment, we're just waiting to see if we can get an entry on this market, but this market is going crazy. Definitely, let's see if I missed an entry here. 931. Oh, the market really went crazy at the start. Liquidate this low. He liquidated this low. Nice, Abdel. Yes, Abdel already took a payout, Mufti. He recovered some loss of yesterday. So nice liquidity grab here, and the market just skyrocketed, guys. Really just skyrocketed. He broke the highs of yesterday, and right now we are. Yeah, that's great. Did you take a trade, Mufti? Today there is volatility. We look at least, and I missed this break here. I missed this one. Yes, 0 to 1. Ah, shit. Which one did you take, Mufti, to understand? What did you take? What did you take? What did you take? You took a short around 948, around, I guess, somewhere here. Oh, you took a short around here, but you got unlucky, I guess, that it went 947. Okay, you got a short here, and the short came out later. Unlucky. What was the reason of the short, if I can ask? Top ticked. Ah, that's unlucky. Oh, you were just shorting the for a possible pullback. Would VWAP bands? Okay, that makes sense. I was like, what were you shorting? I don't know. And now it makes sense. Do we have news today, my friends? At 10 a.m. 10 a.m. we have a little news, but it's okay. In 5 minutes. VWAP bands. Let's see if we're gonna use maybe some retest on the 600s here. Right now, ES is as well pushing us hell, but still too early. We might still come back short, guys. So be careful at these 600s and careful as well on ES. Definitely, if it holds 600 and we take the break of the 612, I'm in. And let me check first if everything works out in my side. That's stop loss. We got the copy trader. It's good. Can we get 2 consecutive green trades today? That's what we hope right now. That's what we hope right now. Give me some good trades. Give me some good trades. 20,600 is retesting it there. Quick retest. This 15 minutes candle is, guys, this 15 minutes candle are going insane. Definitely I will look for a break higher. What the heck? I cannot take a shot because my shot it will be a 550. A break higher would be the break to take. But right now I hope for a little bit of, you know, give me a few candles here and then boom, light to the sky. Light to the sky. This does look bad. Let's remove it. Right now we're testing 600, that's what I want. Yes, can stand up, still holding the highs of yesterday. That's still good for us. We might take as well a long in this account here. If we see that 600 is really holding, retesting a little bit, we might take a long on the 1 minute chart. Just because everything looks great for longs. We put 50 stop loss, 100. $50 stop loss, 100 ticks is the $25 to $50. Interesting. So let me put 100 as a stop loss just so I have time to move it. Doesn't mean anything, but then I just need time to move my stop loss and break even the moment I put the order. So right now it's holding, and I will be happy to take a long, guys. I'll be very happy to take a long if this holds. Right now, nice. Liquidating some people here. Can we right now get some beautiful long? Above 600, if not, this is a liquidity grab on ES, and that's not good. Is this one a liquidity grab in ES? Let's see, around 590, and just taking it there. Looks like it. $20 seconds for this to close. I'm gonna take it, guys. Long on it. 5 minutes will be my stop loss here. But risking what? 15 points. Looking for the highs. It's a profit target at least. This for the 4 contracts. We will see. Just we give it time. Or we're gonna get stopped out. What the heck? Yes, it's correct. Few more minutes. 28 seconds. We close the 15 minutes candle. It's gonna be this liquidity grab before pushing higher. Can be, yeah. This can be a liquidity grab and then a push higher. If this happens, I will look for a re-entry and then be done with it with this account. But that's the idea. Okay. Ooh. 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 Okay, I'm gonna go for the break higher there. I got filled long. Okay, guys, here I got stopped out in break even. I will be stopped out here. And I got stopped out there. That was intense. That was intense, guys. Stopped out on the main accounts and a little bit of profit on the other one. Wow, freaking hell. So look at this difference, by the way. The difference between a macro contract. So we have a jump of 6 points from the highs, and here before that, this candle does not count anymore. We had literally no jumps, like 1 point. So many times you have to pay attention when you're copy trading Nasdaq and micro contract, so mini to micro, that they are not the same. They move the same way, they move almost the same, but can be different on points, especially during volatility moment like in this case. We've seen it, we moved 5 points above the highs, and here we did not move. Right now the trade is going, it's working quite well. Yes, let's see, we wait. Non ti liquidava. But if I enter correct, did I get that? Sucks. I hope it pulls back, but we'll see. That's you're totally right, Abdul. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see if I'm gonna take the next trade, the next 50 minutes, or we can look at trade as well here. This was a beautiful trade, 600 test, taking the highs. You know, the risk reward was below the 1-to-1, but it was still very, very good trade. Right now we're still holding, but ES is not pushing as Nasdaq. So we might really get, this is a fake push. And if we see this as a fake push, this can be a good short. 600s, and we come back to retest the previous highs. If ES closes below the highs of yesterday as well, that would be nice. Then we will, in this case, we will try to short somewhere here. Risking what? Possible 15 points. Looking for 30 points. That will be a nice 2-to-1 risk reward. And we'll see. We'll look into it. We will look into it. We just leave it time. I bought 4 bottles of these, you know, 0 calories, like B3, B12, B6, like, you know, hydration one. 4 bottles. I drank 3, and I was like, I'm gonna buy them for the weekend, and I finished them almost. So this market, it can be a tricky one right now. ES is still holding, so longs still can work quite well. So let's see how it evolves. We give it time. We give it time. It's 5 minutes, does not look amazing. If ES start to close below the highs of yesterday, that's gonna be a short moment, guys. We will see soon. It's happening right now. ES 5 minutes closing below. Is it gonna be sufficient? The 5 minutes candle closing below the level or not? Looks weak. Looks weak. If ES goes down, Nasdaq will probably follow up, especially with that weak push here we have. Here, how many buyers are in right now for a continuation higher? But they have their stop loss here. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Can we get some movements? Really, market, by the way, so slow. Probably it's just better to take a holiday from this. Insane. Look at that, now we are below the 600s. ES grabbing liquidity there. Let's see if this is a grab liquidity from ES, then we might look for longs as well in Nasdaq. That can be very interesting, guys. This is can be very interesting if that ES is just a grab liquidity from below to continue higher. We'll look into it right now. Let's see. Right now seems, but I wish it did grab the liquidity on the previous little low on ES, and right now it's kind of jumping, but is it enough? Who's your first trade, brother? Sometimes just, I think my brother took this trade here. This break here of this first 50 minutes at the minute 9:31 on the first minute, and he took this long, and then he took this long again. I'm not gonna take this long, guys. I believe it's gonna fail. I'm gonna bet on it. This is gonna be a failure long. It's gonna come lower. I'm gonna bet this is a fake and it's gonna come. Let's see. You know, this is just prediction, and we don't trade prediction, but that's what I believe. Let's see if I'm right or I'm totally wrong. For the moment, I'm totally wrong. Let's see. Yes, right now still trying to come back above the yesterday highs. My mouse are dying. Yes, trying, but not yet. Still below. Still fighting that 107 level, and we are still kinda below. Okay, right now it's pushing a little bit, and the moment it's happening right now, we are above, so this long can be definitely interesting right now. Might really, yes, I think as well. Right now, 600s here can be really the next push to the 700s. Let's see if we can get an opportunity for a long, but definitely it does look great for a long continuation here. Just wish this was grabbed by liquidity, to be honest. I just wish this was grabbed by this short, and then the long would have been more interesting, but it did not happen, unfortunately. One more minute, we've closed the 5 minutes. I'm looking on ES. Not gonna trade this long yet. Even if it does look interesting, I will take the 15 minutes break that is happening in 6 minutes, but not either. And if 15 minutes break is this one at 594 or this one at 624. But this one, it's a bit tricky one, to be honest. Because I'm scared that this break is just a quick break, grab liquidity, and go above. Quite happen a lot on days where the market was pushing so much. We take a 15 minutes break, but this was just a liquidity grab and then push higher. So I will avoid the short. That's my conclusion. On all of what I said, I'm not gonna take a short here. Or take a long, yes, but not a short. 3 seconds, we're closing the 5 minutes candle. And we have 5 more minutes. Is ES closed above. Let's see if Nasdaq is gonna pull back. Definitely a long here looks amazing on Nasdaq. Continuation higher. 931, yes, the 931 here. This break. 516. 526, somewhere here he took profit. It took him 3 minutes. Difficult 3 minutes for Abdel. That's it, always 15 break. That's the only things you have to do. Trading becomes so easy when you understand that you don't have control on your trading. You have only control on your execution, and that's all. My brother, after I taught him about the 15-minute strategy, after a few days he came saying my strategy. Like not the 15 minutes, he was like, I have this new strategy. I noticed that when this happens, this occurs, this happens. So I take it now. This is my strategy. I was like, what do you mean? You started trading 2 weeks ago. What do you mean with your strategy? So here he had to get to learn the lessons, I guess, by burning himself down. But oh, by the way, this beautiful break happening right now. This is a beautiful long in the end. Only that didn't grab this liquidity. I wish it did. Would have been much more comfortable with it. And ES closing above. What a beautiful trade. Right now we're pushing, guys. We're gonna look for a break higher. So that's what I was saying is that trading becomes easy when you understand that the only things you have to do is open your laptop, look for your setup, take the trade. No complication, no mental freaking drain of your stress or whatever and energy. Just freaking open the chart. Is that your strategy? Is that your execution? You have to take the trade. Take the trade. Did you reach your limit? Max loss, max number of trades, max time? Yes. Done for today. Move to tomorrow. That is the when you start to see trading as simple as that, it will become as well easy on your life, on your mental health, on your family, on your friendship. Everything can become easier. That's what happened to me. Last year it was difficult with friendship and everything for me to keep a relationship because I was always losing much energy on trading. Then this year, when I discovered how trading is easy, when it's about execution and following a pattern, rules, as I was like, wow, I don't stress even anymore. I took a lost trade right now. What the heck? Would have been a green trade, a red trade? Doesn't matter, right? I don't know the outcome. I just knew that I had to take the trade. I took it. I got stopped out. Peace and love. This strategy this year made me $22,000 of payout. Can definitely improve the strategy. Yes, next year we're gonna work on a better day trading strategy. That's what we're doing right now here, and we're gonna see probably better results. The most important is that I follow execution, put my TP, move one stop loss to break even in the correct moment, the correct way. That's it, and we're done. Trading becomes easier when you understand the factor of just you don't have control of the outcome of your trades. Anything can happen during a moment of trade. You take a trade because the pattern is there and the freaking market squeeze above because Powell freaking said, by mistake said fuck in his during his speech. Then the market freaking spikes down and then you're like, you lost the trade. And you're like, oh, this is my strategy, is this one. No, strategy is a pattern that repeats. The outcome on the single trade, anything can happen. You don't have control of it. Anything can happen on a single trade base. But on a pattern repetition, these single trade problems decrease, and their I forgot the word. Their influence on your strategy become very little because in a repetition of 1,000, it's very difficult that Powell will say the same word every time, or something happens on that moment, or anything. We're ready for the next trade. We're gonna take that continuation higher, hopefully, or we're gonna be a liquidity grab. Also, that can happen. Why yes you're doing this to me? Why yes is weak right now? What the heck, yes? Why you're doing this to me? What do you want to do, yes? Break lower, break higher, just do it. So I hope everyone understood that. You don't have control of any outcome. We're gonna take the long right now. Ready for it? Are we gonna get squeezed up? Oh, that was a beautiful 1 minute closing just above there. And I like to see a red candle before breaking. And we get the break continuation higher. This market is too strong to short right now. And we're gonna take for that, we're gonna take the break higher. We're gonna go on the direction of the market, get our 10 points higher, and call it a day after this trade. Can we get it at least? We will get it. We'll get it. A matter of patience and waiting. Okay, I said a bit too early that we're gonna get it, but this market is pulling back. You can pull back and stay here a little bit more. If ES does not play with us, it will be nice. Will be very nice. Can we get a trade that works here on the long side? Can we get a trade? And it's Friday, guys, especially. It's Friday. How many times we destroyed a week of effort on a Friday? Friday is the worst day to break the rules. Friday is the worst day to break your rules. If you can do something on respecting your rules, please do it on Friday. Don't break your rules on Friday. Okay, we're gonna get right now the break higher. Hopefully 15. We're gonna take our 10 points break right now. Let's see, we are filler, guys, and hopefully we're gonna get these 10 points. So I was saying that Friday is the worst day you're gonna break, and because you're gonna screw Friday evening, Saturday and Sunday until it comes to Monday. You know, you have the frustration of want to recover money, what you've done and everything, and this will reflect on your family, friends, and relationship, because it's weekend. You know, it's weekend. It's the time where you spend time with your family. It's the time you go out and stuff like that. You enjoy life. You know, we all work. We all, almost all of us have a 9-to-5 jobs. We all work. So the weekend is the time of at least getting out from this work life and meet people. And if you fucked up on this on a Friday by breaking your rules, then your emotion will show that onto your friends, your family, and everything. So if you can follow a trade strategy, do it on Friday. Do it as much as you can. This will really simplify your life, and it will improve as well your social side. Because it really sucks that for trading we are breaking and making harder for us to keep relationship just because we are emotional taken from it. So hopefully we get this break. Come on, market, take us out, and we'll be happy. 644, we have our TP. By the way, continuation on the 600 test was beautiful. I wish I was not taking only a few points there. Oh, we're out, guys. Again, a 1-to-1 trade day for me. That was beautiful. Retest here the second time. I only wished we had a liquidity grab here. Only a little bit of liquidity grab here, coming back on the 600, then holding the 600. That would have been a beautiful long. It did not happen, so it is what it is. But we took this long here, this quick long. We took it. We made $70. We could have done much more, but still, this strategy is a learning process. But this was a beautiful trade. This one could have been amazing. ES is holding the yesterday high. Is kind of chopping around it, but as well, that's why in this trade I was comfortable, because ES was keeping going on it. So guys, I hope today was a beautiful day for you. And if you even didn't make money, I hope for you was a good execution day, right? That's what we care in our community, guys. Everything comes out from execution. It does not come out from looking at your P&L. It does not come from your P&L, guys. Everything comes from execution. So I wish you the best. I wish you an amazing weekend. I wish you an amazing Friday evening. Guys, love you all. Peace and love. See you on Monday, and have a beautiful day. Thank you for coming every time. Thank you, Mufti. Thank you, Abdel. Thank you, Jonah. And see you tomorrow, guys. See you Monday, guys. See you on Discord as well.